How do you make your portraits go from blah to wow? You could spend hours editing in Photoshop, or you could use ready-made Photoshop effects to get stunning results in a few clicks. In this video, we'll share our selection of the top 10 Photoshop portrait effects. Whether you want to create a classic black and white portrait or apply creative effects like duotone and double exposure, you'll find something here for you. All these effects are available to download from Envato Elements. Get access to unlimited Photoshop actions along with fonts, photos, and more, all for one low cost. You can find all the links in the description below. Let's start with a beautiful black and white portrait effect. Getting the right look involves a lot more than just converting a color image to grayscale. This set of Photoshop actions applies all the settings you need to create an authentic vintage look. You'll get 16 cinematic black and white variations, a range of non-destructive effects, and full instructions on how to adjust the settings to get the effect you want. Duotone portraits are a hot trend right now, and you can create your own duotone portrait easily with this Photoshop portrait effect. Just apply the action to any photo with a single click, and you have your very own duotone portrait. You get 25 color scripts, a thumbnail color preview, and a layered and fully editable effect. There's even a video guide to help you get the most out of this powerful action. There's nothing like rain streaming down a window to give your portrait a dreamy, melancholy mood. And thanks to Rainy Day Photoshop action, you can create that effect without getting wet. Rainy Day is a single-click action, but it creates fully editable layers that you can tweak to get just the result you want. And it's a non-destructive action, so your original image will remain unchanged in case you change your mind. Portrait editing is not just about applying dramatic effects. Sometimes you want to keep the image the same, but just tweak the settings to bring out the drama. Film noir is a great way to create a cinematic effect. Despite the name, film noir creates both color and black and white effects. You get 50 different effects to choose from with one-click installation and full instructions provided. This next Photoshop action is inspired by the trendy double light effect. Save hours of painting the colors by hand with this specialized Photoshop action for portraits and more. Just fill in the area you would like to apply the effect and press play. This portrait dual lighting effect contains 10 different color effects. The action creates a well-organized and structured file to make editing easy, and it comes with a video tutorial to help you create all the Photoshop portrait light effects you want. Wedding photographers, this next one is for you. Caramel is an essential Photoshop action that will speed up your portrait editing for fast, amazing results. Caramel is great for wedding and event photographs and will make the most out of portraits taken in natural light. Choose the regular caramel effect to bring out the drama in your portraits, or caramel intense to create an extra rich style for low contrast or contre-jour photos. This action is compatible with all recent Photoshop versions and comes with usage instructions. Here's something a bit different. Why not make your portrait into a desert island? This beautiful portrait Photoshop action turns your image into a gorgeous realistic island made with sand, trees, and water. The action contains 10 color effects and comes with a video tutorial. And as a bonus, it works not just on portrait photos, but on vector shapes and logos too. Double exposure is a set of Photoshop portrait effects that lets you apply a classic double exposure effect to any photo you might have. It's easy to add a color tone or gradient to your composition after the action has finished working. Double exposure is a best-selling Photoshop action, and it works with 8 different languages in Photoshop. Make your portrait photograph stand out with this stunning set of tonal Photoshop portrait actions. The cinnamon portrait action makes it easy to recreate the high-impact look of fashion and editorial photography. You get 6 different ready-made effects to choose from. This action comes with a set of usage instructions and is ideal for outdoor portraits in natural light. Why not wow your viewers by turning your portraits into works of art covered with intersecting lines and geometric shapes? This last action is easy to use, and it gives you a well-structured and layered file that you can then edit as much or as little as you want. Use the included video tutorial to see how it works, and why not try combining it with one of the other effects in this list to see what you can create. I hope you enjoyed this roundup of the 10 best Photoshop portrait effects. All of the Photoshop effects we're looking at today are available from Envato Elements. Just click the links in the description to download them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for more roundups and training videos, including a 3-hour course on Photoshop for beginners.